said his train would be arriving at noon, okay? You must go meet him at the station.
3 sets of dishes, 2 sets of silver, 16 chairs, 4 cut glass bowls, and all the flowers from my conservatory. Joyfully been divested of all my worldly possessions. Where's Amy?
I want to see her before the wedding.
No. Grandfather, here's the champagne glass. I'll take this. I'm off to the train station.
Oh, let's have a cigar before the ceremony. How do you feel? Ready to be a bridegroom?
I've never felt more alive. And the rain has held up.
Where is Josephine?
I'll go find her.
And tell Amy I wish to speak with her about receiving line etiquette. We have the greatest conquered society arriving at any moment.
I understand you wanted to speak to me?
I suppose you realize this could have been your day.
You think I made a ghastly mistake?
I do not. Gloria and Amy are ideally suited for each other. I've gone over my will.
Oh, Aunt Marge.
Meg will inherit most of my money. Amy is making her way into society and won't need it. And as for you,
I don't want it.
no, you don't want anything. And yet, you want everything. Josephine, every girl, every woman should have something to fall back upon when times are bleak. I'm leaving you my house.
Your house?
Do something worthwhile with it. Make a library out of it, or a school.
That's very generous of you, Aunt Marge. Thank you.
I don't like that dress.
That was one of your old ones.
Well, it looked better on me.
No, there's a strange man asking through the gate.
Professor Bear?
Hello.
Hello. This is a surprise.
I know. You wrote if I should ever come north, I should come visit you.
Yes, but
You never thought I would do it. Well, I did it. I'm here. Should I leave?
no,
I'm not intruding?
you're not intruding. Come inside, I'll introduce you.
No. Not yet.
So, how is Miss Kirk?
As impossible as ever.
And the boarders?
As strange as ever.
And you?
Me? The same.
You look
Old I know. Nearly 50.
you're 34.
35.
You had a birthday?
They had a party for me, I get sick. I don't mind promise. I brought back your manuscript. It was so good of you to send it to me. A novel?
There's no one whose opinion I respect more than yours. Forgive me for this.
It touched me deeply, Miss Marsh. I felt your presence on every page. I saw you, I heard your voice. It was magnificent.
Oh, Amy's driving me insane. Now she's thinking about changing the veil. Oh, excuse me.
This is my sister, Meg. This is Professor Bear.
I recognize you now from your sister's stories.
So you're the one she's let read it.
I'll be right there.
I've come at a bad time.
No, it's just a wedding.
A wedding?
I often think about you, Professor. I wonder how you are doing.
I bought a kite.
You bought a kite?
Soon after you left, but then I bought a kite. I never had a kite. You were right to think I was old. I was old.
No,
I was. But since we meet, everything is different. Everyone noticed. The students even, they say, Professor Bear, you're smiling today. Miss March. Joe, we are not at all alike. We have our differences. May I be blunt?
Be blunt. By all means.
I think perhaps it looks like rain.
The sky gets bluer by the hour.
What falls in little drops.
That's why it's called a sun shower.
Oh, and now it stops.
You're about to be blunt.
If I say rain, then you say sun. If I say yes, then you say no. It seems before we start, we're done. We even argue at the low. I say share with me this small umbrella.
I say who cares if I get wet?
We are as different as the morning and the night.
No, we are as different as the winter and the spring.
We always seem to fight.
We disagree on everything.
And yet, you make me smile, you make me laugh, you make me care. How can I explain inside my heart I feel a pain when you're not there? Though we are not at all alike, you make me feel alive. We had that in common, and one small thing in common. Love could be like a small umbrella in the rain. Christopher Columbus!
The guests will be arriving any moment. I want the family gathered in the parlor. And who are you?
This is my Aunt March. This is Professor Bear.
Call me Fritz.
Fritz? Is that your name? Fritz?
I never told you.
No.
Well, bring in Fritz.
You were saying Fritz?
When people discover passion, they've come upon something rare. This fervor they have in common will shelter them anywhere. Though the rest may be rough, with such passion to share, I think they have more than enough to make a marriage if we dare.
You were proposing?
No. Yes. Yes. I do not mean today, or tomorrow, or even next month, in a year maybe, 2 years even. I'm a patient man.
I won't be sweet, won't be demure.
This I prefer, this I adore.
I'll speak my mind, you can be sure.
I'd be enchanted to the core.
If I say share with me this small umbrella.
I'll say who cares if we get wet.
We'll be as different as a husband and a wife.
No. We'll be different as a woman and a man.
We'll fight our way through life.
We'll disagree the best we can.
And yet,
You make me smile, you make me laugh, you make me care. How can I explain inside my heart I feel that pain when you're not there? Though we are not at all alike, you make me feel alive.
if we had that in common,
That one small thing in common, love could be like a small umbrella in the rain. Josephine. I showed your novel to Henry Dashwood.
You did what?
I know I shouldn't have, but I couldn't resist.
What did he say?
He said it's a bit long. He missed the blood and guts. He likes the four sisters, particularly the outspoken one. He wants to publish it.
He said that?
It's all right with you.
Joe? We need you inside.
Marmee, I'd like you to meet a good friend of mine. This is Professor Fritz Bayer. He's come to stay with us. We're thinking of starting a school together.
A school?
Not today, or next week, but someday.
Welcome, Professor. Come and meet our family.
Sometimes when you dream, your dreams come true in extraordinary ways. You think me so amazing, and sometimes when you cry there, and then you are not the same. And the world is
Joe, you are waiting for you.